everybody. Welcome to the Happiest Cook's first video. My name is Kim and I'm the Happiest Cook. We are coming to you from our home here at Crystal Mountain Ranch in Southwest Virginia. It's 10 acres of rural country in the mountains with the most amazing views. It's home and we love it. What I want you to know is that even with inflation and prices going up on everything, you can still cook good, wholesome food without breaking the budget. Most of my dishes will be made for 4 servings, 2 on the plate and 2 in the freezer. The best part, $10 is the target cost for 4 servings. Does this sound good to you? We've been playing with this for weeks and we've decided it's time to kick this project into high gear. So hang on, here we go.
Are you listening?
We are often asked why we don't raise cattle, goats, chickens. We have a perfectly good reason. We have 4 rescue dogs and 2 rescue cats. They keep us pretty busy. Rural living also offers the enjoyment of a variety of wildlife wandering nearby, like wild turkeys. There's a herd of deer that wanders around down in the lower pasture. It's enough. This is my kitchen. This is my cooking prep area. I have a gas stove and a large farmhouse sink. It's more than enough for the kind of cooking we are going to be doing. I won't be teaching you how to prepare beef Wellington. Too many steps. Instead, we're going to be cooking a lot of different kinds of food, easy to make and budget friendly. I've cooked foods from many different places, from Alaska to Hawaii to California, New Jersey, Florida, all with their unique recipes. I love to grill outdoors and I love to use my air fryer. I try to keep it healthy and keep the carbs at a minimum. But don't worry, I plan to sprinkle in some super yummy dessert recipes too. The one thing I lean most on, 100 years of family cooking. I have my grandmother's collection of secret recipes that I'm going to share with you. Their creative and budget-friendly ideas and secrets will be mixed in with my own. There'll be shopping lists, easy to follow instructions, and lots of creative and money-saving tricks to keep it all within your family's budget. It's what this journey is going to be all about. I shop at Walmart, IGA, and sometimes Food City. All the ingredients I use are easily found. Substitutions are always welcome. My goal is to help you stretch your food budget, learn new recipes, boost your confidence in the kitchen, and most of all, have fun. It's not really magic, or is it? Thanks for watching. This is just our introduction, and I wanted to say hi. No cooking on this video. And you don't know me well enough to subscribe, so I'm not even going to ask. But I will invite you to our first actual cooking video coming up next as we kick off the adventures of the Happiest Cook. And like they say in Hollywood, stay tuned and check us out. And by the way, this is my grandma's secret recipe box.